Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through a simple tutorial on how to redeem your Gamestop gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in gamestop.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Gamestop, make sure that you are signed into your account. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner and enter your credentials for your Gamestop account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Click on create account at the bottom and follow through the account creation process. For existing account, go ahead and type in your email and your password associated with your account. After signing into your Gamestop account on a web browser, from the main homepage of Gamestop, go ahead and select one of your orders you would like to make online. Select the product you'd like to purchase and give it a click. In the product review page, select some of the information that has been asked on the screen. For example, your platform that you'll need to choose and your delivery options. And in order to purchase the product, you'll need to click on the Add to Cart option. Once you've added a product in your shopping cart, continue checking out by clicking on the View Cart and Checkout option. On the next page, you can go ahead and make a change if you want for the product, such as its quantity, shipping address, and product replacement plan, and much more. And if you are ready to proceed to check out, click on Proceed to Checkout button on the right. Now, you'll need to fill in some of your shipping details, and while entering the payment information, choose the Add Gift Card or Trade-in Credit option. Now, get your gift card handy, enter the gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card and its PIN in the text box. Finally, click on the Apply button in order to apply your gift card as the method of payment on Gamestop. If your information are correct, your redemption process will be completed successfully. So that is how you should be able to redeem your Gamestop gift card within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.